Can you tell what's wrong with this donut? Besides, both have been bitten in by my kids. Today, this will be my breakfast because I feel bad about throwing away the donuts. I guess you could call it breakfast, lunch. This one was not finished because my kid ran out. He had to go to school and he forgot his donut. And this donut, now this one's the difficult one. You probably can't tell what's wrong with it. But the reason why it's not fully eaten is because one of my kids happened to sneeze close to it and maybe some mist got on it. And so it wasn't edible enough for my other son. And so I'll be eating these 2 donuts this morning. Yeah, you can't really tell that it was sneezed on. And I don't think my kid's sick, so I'm gonna try this. Tastes fine. This one looks a little wet. These glazed donuts can get old kind of quick. So, this is my breakfast. Kids' leftover Krispy Kreme donuts. Which one do I prefer? I probably prefer this one. It tastes a little fresher, and this one is like, you can tell it's kind of getting old. So that's my little story. One kid sneezed on a donut. Another kid ran out of the house and was in a hurry. He didn't even charge his iPad for school, and so he was really frustrated. That's the life of a parent. Over and out.